Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another snow video here. And it is safe to say that what I thought we got on Wednesday was bad, this is 10 times worse. Alright guys, I want to update you. So this is like this, it is so bad outside, you guys don't understand. So we're currently stuck in the road and we're about to start our next house. Alright guys, we just finished the biggest property that we have. That took a while. We have one more property to do. I'm not going to record it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to follow.